Hello, moneymakers. There is one insane niche that is blowing up on social media currently, and people are literally printing money with this niche as no one has done these kind of videos before on social media. Check out this page named Holy Vlogs. They have just uploaded 13 videos and have gained 259,000 followers on Instagram. They upload realistic Bible vlogs like this one.
Hey guys, it's Eve. Just started the day and seriously, look at this garden. Not a bad place to wake up in. Let's see what today brings. Okay, so apparently there's just one rule here. Don't eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil.
You see, these vlogs look so good, and as a human, we feel like watching them till the end. And that's the only reason this page is famous on Instagram. So if something is working on Instagram, then there is a very high probability that it would work on YouTube. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you know I love to create content for YouTube as it pays well, and the value of your audience will always be higher. So for example, if you have 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, that is equivalent to having 500,000 followers on Instagram. Brands always pay more for YouTube as it a trustable platform. They also sell their own digital product as well, and they have added the link to their bio. They should be making another $1 to $2 per month from this digital product as well. So you can easily sell your own digital product once you create a brand in this niche. So in this video, I will teach you how to create such videos and optimize them for better reach. Grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end without skipping a single part. Before we begin, for a limited time, I am giving 50% discount to all my subscribers who enroll in AI Maskman Academy, where you will get my exclusive training to set up and grow your content creation business. I am also sharing the secret AI tools that I used on my channels to grow from 0 to 50,000 subscribers in just 1 year. Along with that, you will get my exclusive courses, weekly group calls with me where I will clear your doubts, audit your channel, and share my experience with you. I am giving the lifetime membership for just $149, no monthly fees and no upsells at all. This is a limited time deal. Grab the offer before I move back to the old pricing. Let's get back to the video now. Alright, first things first. Open DeepMind. You can create videos using either Gemini or Flow. Now let's talk about pricing. This tool gives you a 1-month free trial, so you can use it completely free for the first month. During this trial, you'll get access to all models, including VO 3 and VO 2.5. However, it's not available in every country yet, so if it's not available for you, you can also try using it through Leonardo AI. Leonardo has recently added the VO model for video generation too, so you can use it there as well. Now, if you want to make Bible influencer style videos, the first step is to think about which character you want to create vlogs around. What's their story? What kind of concept will the video have? It should also be engaging and fun to watch so people actually enjoy it. And yes, I know, it's hard to think of all this by ourselves. That's why we'll take help from AI. And for that, I've prepared the perfect prompt. You can get it by joining my Telegram or WhatsApp channel through the link in the description below. Using this prompt, you can generate tons of creative ideas. And trust me, this isn't just any random prompt. As you can see here, I studied a reference channel's video, tested a lot of different prompts, and finally created this perfect one just for my loyal audience. So come on, you can at least drop a like and comment for me, right? Now all you need to do is copy this prompt and open Gemini. Paste the prompt into Gemini and run it. I've tested this with both ChatGPT and Gemini, but Gemini understands the video concept much better, so we'll use Gemini to generate our topics. So go ahead, copy the prompt and paste it into Gemini. And there we go. Gemini has given us 10 video concept ideas, plus 1 sample script. That's awesome. All these ideas are based on real events from the Bible, but they're presented in a fun, creative way so people enjoy watching them. And if you're creative and already have a good topic or Bible character in mind, you can give that to Gemini too. It will generate topic ideas specific to that character. For example, if you want to make only Jesus vlogs, just tell Gemini that, and it will give you vlog ideas related to Jesus only. So first, pick your main idea. After that, we'll move on to generating scenes with dialogues and a Google VO 3 prompt. Oh, and in the last video, I got a lot of comments asking, how do we make sure the character stays consistent in every video? Well, officially, Google VO3 doesn't have a feature yet that lets you lock in a consistent character. But I did try something, and it works to some extent. You have to include detailed information about your character's look and outfit in every single video prompt. That way, you'll get somewhat similar results, and the character will look more consistent. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, copy my prompt. I've included everything in it: how to write video prompts, how to generate scenes, and all the other details. Just add your chosen topic into the prompt, then paste it into Gemini. Gemini will then give you scene prompts, titles, character looks, everything in one go. Right now I'm making a video about Moses, so I told Gemini, can you describe Moses' outfit, look, and appearance in detail in every video, and keep it exactly the same across all scenes to maintain character consistency? And boom, Gemini added those details into every prompt automatically. So now that we have all our prompts ready, it's time to move to the next step, generating the videos. You can even do this directly inside Gemini. But I personally prefer generating videos in Flow. It gives better results. So let's go to Flow. From here, select the text to video option, then choose VO3 from the model list. Now go back to Gemini, copy the first scene prompt, and paste it here in Flow. Then just hit generate. Your video will start generating. And here it is. Our first scene is ready. Let's take a look.
Okay, quick update. We're in the palace. Aaron is stalling the guards, and I'm about to go ask Pharaoh to let our people go.
Now, if your next scene doesn't include any dialogue, you can use the Add Scene feature in Flow. This helps keep character consistency between scenes. But if you want to add audio or voice to the new scene, it doesn't work that well. I've tried it, and it doesn't generate dialogue audio. It only creates the visual scene. So here's what you can do. Click on Add Scene, and then save the last part of your current video using the Save Frame as Asset option. Once you add it, the frame will appear in your project. Make sure to do all these steps carefully. I'm just showing you how it works right now using a demo. Now, when you see the options Jump To and Extend, select Jump To. After that, choose the new scene, paste your next prompt, and hit Generate. And here's the result. The character stayed consistent, and the second scene continues smoothly from the first one, which looks really cool. But just a heads up, the audio feature doesn't work properly most of the time. So for now, I recommend generating each scene separately instead of trying to extend the video. Yes, I know, keeping the same character look in every scene is a bit tricky right now, but I'm sure this feature will be available soon. And as I mentioned earlier, if you add the character's look and detail in every prompt, you'll get similar looking scenes most of the time.
Giving Major
Here's the
toxic
result
X
from another
energy.
video I generated.
He's giving Major toxic X energy and sent his entire army after us. The audacity.
So that's how you can generate scenes one by one and build your full video. Once you've generated all your scenes, it's time to merge them into a full video. But wait, if there's another niche you want to try using VO3, or if you want a complete tutorial on something other than VO3, just drop a comment below. I'll pick your topic and make a dedicated tutorial on it. Now let's talk about merging the clips. I'm going to use the CapCut desktop app, but you can use any editing software you're comfortable with. So let's open CapCut. First, import all your video clips, then drag and drop them onto the timeline one by one in the correct scene order. After that, slightly increase the volume of all your video clips. You can also add sound effects related to the scene, like suspense sounds, water flowing, or running footsteps when a character is running. After that, add transition between each scene. You can add black fade between all clips. And that's it. Your final video is ready. And that's how you can create amazing videos using VO3, go viral, and even start making money. Also, before you watch the demo video, I want to let you know that I'm doing a special giveaway to celebrate crossing 55,000 subscribers on this channel. If you subscribe and comment on this video, I'll randomly pick 5 person to win lifetime free access to my school community. No payment required. You'll get access to weekly live group calls, 2 per week, my complete AI content creation course, a list of secret YouTube niches, and so much more. So make sure to subscribe and leave your comment below. The more you comment, the better your chances. Now let's check out our demo video and see how it all came together.
Okay, quick update. We're in the palace. Aaron is stalling the guards, and I'm about to go ask Pharaoh to let our people go.
He's giving Major toxic X energy and sent his entire army after us. The audacity. We need to keep moving, they're right behind us.
And we've hit a wall, a literal water wall. Not the vibe, guys.
Moses just split the sea. Everyone's running.
No way! You are not going to believe this! It's a hack! It's a literal life hack! I gotta go, we'll post the full tutorial later.
Just walking through a split ocean. And people still don't listen to me.